Beautiful day. Hello. It's nice outside. It's like 45 degrees in the middle of February. Middle of February. I just got back from the gym. It's 2 in the afternoon. Just got out of the shower. Dry, hanging clothes, all that good We're not swearing. There's no swear words in this. But we got a package. I have to re-record because I showed my address in the other one. But we're good. By the title, you know what this brand is. This is the second thing I purchased. Hold on. Boom. This is the first. The Huff collab from a few years ago. You already know. But a little closer. I'll back off. Okay? I'll back off. These socks. I'm sober. I don't do that shit. And there goes the swears. No, but I just thought those socks were fun. So, okay, let's just open this. And that's suspense. We're gonna open this mother. The last thing I copped was an A24T, I think. And I was astonished because they gave me a bunch of stuff. Like this postcard for mid-90s, like a bag, a sticker that's on my phone. Oh, here. Boom, baby. Boom. So they gave me this sticker. A24. Yeah, then they gave me this, which I thought was really cool. Then they gave me like a bag, clothing bag to put stuff in. It's just like a plastic bag, but I thought it was really cool. And a lot. So we'll see what happens with this. I doubt it's going to be anywhere as good. I'm probably not going to get anything, but we'll see. Yeah, nothing else in there. Yeah, nothing. Nothing but the product. Sorry. Boom, baby. Bronze 56K. Ew. Bronze 56K, baby. Throwing some crazy edits right now. Just joking. We don't have that kind of production. And then this was this. Ooh, and then my boy Sticks. I told him I wasn't copping anything. But this came up the next day, so I had the cop. So let me throw this on. I'll tell you how it fits. Dude, my hair is so fucked up. Probably because of this shit that's going on, but fuck. It's fucked up. I'm not doing good. No, but this is, dope. It, like, fits good. It's a little snug, but it's longer. I got a large. I'm like 6 foot. 170, 175, 180. No, it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. It's like long enough, but kind of fits snug. Let me look myself in the mirror. Yeah, I don't know. It's good. The back. So this was like a collab they did with some, or I think they opened a skate shop, or someone did, and then they kind of bought bronze 56K product to sell there, like a partnership. So this was what this was for. Yo, I'm happy because I thought the main drop wasn't anything special. I was looking for like something like the Dennis Rodman tee with like the bronze logo on the back of his head, but no, it wasn't anything super crazy. And then a lot of people were hyped about the bronze logo in like the like Matrix digital form, I think, whatever. Wasn't feeling that. Wasn't feeling that. I wasn't feeling any of the others. So I'm happy I got this because I don't know, it's funny. And then one thing also that I'll add, um, I've known about this brand for a while. I think they're super underrated, and they're like pretty fucking funny. But price, I don't know why I was thinking so soft. Um, but I remember when I was kind of like first introduced to them was kind of like when I got the socks. I'd never heard of them before. Then I went to like I was hanging out with some people who were like about that skate life. I'm not sorry, my G. Uh, but yeah, but like I showed them that, and they were like, I don't know, they were like, oh shit, like I heard about that, and then they were on, I don't know, they were just on it, and I kind of like brought that to them, so that was kind of cool. And then, then I was downtown eating some like Italian food, like downtown, with some friends. Well, one friend, maybe two, and then some random guy, Daniel, who's really who's like super proper. Like, excuse me, that's nice. Like all this, funny guy. Um, but when I was down there, was like when the 3M reflective print was really huge, and I saw someone in a bronze, like reflective jacket thing, and I thought it was like the funniest thing because I've never like seen them, and I don't think I've seen anyone wear one of the like products from them since then. So it was just kind of funny. Like I was introduced to them within like a few months, maybe like a month later. I saw like someone wearing their shit, and I never ever seen someone wear that stuff again. So I want to cut it here. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Nocturnal Narc. Um, 7 minute video, one T-shirt unboxing. Ya boy is out.